Welcome back, students. Now we move on to the next exercise, that is exercise 2.5. Now here, if you consider the question, more than one variables are there. So we will see how to solve this kind of question. So let's consider the first question, that is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. As I already told you have to take all the constant terms together and all the variables together at one side. So here in LHS x by 2 one variable is there. So take this variable term into this side, LHS side, and take this constant term into this side. So now we solve this. So therefore x by 2, this is plus, so this becomes minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 minus both that side plus 1 by 5. Now we will solve the each term. Either you can solve this term first by taking LCM 6 and this term by taking LCM 20. But later on we have to consider all the 4 denominators. So we take the LCM for one time. So what is the LCM of this? Let's find out. 30, no, 60, yes. So LCM is equal to 60. Now what we have to do? You have two choices. Either you keep on multiplying this LCM to all the terms, or individually you find or make the denominator 60. For my view, we have to, whatever LCM is there, we take that LCM and multiply all the terms by that particular LCM. That is very easy way. Rather than you are keep on multiplying this by 30, multiplying this by 10, multiplying this by some numbers, so whatever it is. Rather than that, we follow this method. Whatever LCM you are getting, directly multiply that LCM to all the numbers. So let's start. So therefore 60 multiplied by x by 2 minus 60 multiplied by x by 3 is equal to 60 multiplied by 1 by 4 plus 60 multiplied by 1 by 5. Now it is very easy to cancel it. You will get the answer 30. So this is 30x minus 20. So 20x is equal to 15 plus this is 12. So this is very easy. Rather than you are keep on multiplying and make the equivalent fraction and find the answer, rather than you do this method, it is very easy. Nothing you have to do. Whatever LCM you are getting, multiply that LCM, and whatever cancellation you can do that cancellation. Directly you will get the equation. Therefore 30x minus 20x is 10x is equal to 15 plus 12 is 27. Now you can know what is the answer. X is equal to 27 divided by 10. So this way you can solve this question. Come to the next question. So second question is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5 by n is equal to 21. Again we will repeat the same method, that take the LCM of all the three numbers 2, 4 and 6. So what is the LCM? Of course 12. LCM is equal to 12. Now what we do? Multiply all the terms by the LCM. So therefore 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4 plus 12 into 5n by 6 is equal to 21 multiplied by 12. Now we keep on reducing the terms. So this is 2 6 are 12, so therefore 6n minus 4 3 are 12, so 3 3 are 9n plus 6 2 are 12, 5 2 are 10n, and what is 21 multiplied by 12? Do the multiplication. That is 252. Now what we variables are there and one side all the constant terms are there. So 6n minus 9n, what is the answer? Minus 3n. And minus 3n plus 10, what is the answer? 7n. Either you can do this or 10 plus 6, that is 16. 16 minus 9, that is 7n. So what is the answer? 7n is equal to 252. So therefore n is equal to what? 252 divided by 7. Do the division. So 7 3s are 21, 42, 7 6s are 42. What is the answer? Therefore n is equal to 36. So this way we can solve the question number 2. Next we will see the third question.